Hello, how you doing? We're back again in the boat. So it means one thing, doesn't it? Right, swale again, different place. Let's go and let's have a look. See how we get on. Oh, look at my new Bobby Dazzler jacket. I'll show you it further down there. Timo, £7 with my coupons. Look, everything in it. Got my flask in the back. All the pockets, phones, everything you need. Right, I'll show you it a bit more when we're down on the bank. Here we are down at the river. It's only a short walk through the gate over there, across this field. So I'll get set up. So got here and we'll see where we can get in. Down there didn't look too bad actually. Right, I'll bring you back when we're in the water. Well, not literally, obviously. So we're first casting. I'm going to change the lure for one of these here. Got quite a nice little perchy type. Perchy curly tail, but I think might work well. I'll have a couple of chucks with this white one just for now. Just want to bring it in and let it run down that side a little bit. There's something in this slack, see? There's a bit of colour coming to the river again as well. It's Friday today, by the way. So there we go. So I'll open that with his waggly tail. With his waggly tail. Might do me the business. We can only try, can't we? Feels a bit heavier. Start off where I was again. Just let that drop down and then it's looking good, like. Bit of movement on that tail. Just climb down there. Bit further down there. And bring him back with the nothing from down there. I've worked along that bank down there. I'm just going to stop and have a brew. This is me, the vest, loads of pockets, rod holder. It's even got buckles underneath here, so you can attach if you were wearing it fly fishing. That's at least that's what I think these are for. You can attach a bucket for your line. But yeah, loads of pockets, inside pockets, everything. Fully adjustable by the sides, which is a good thing. In fact, I'll pull them in a little bit, but everything's in here. Yeah, cracking. So I'll turn you around. I was going to have a wander down there, but the banks are a little bit steep. So I'm just going to just rest it up here. I'm just going to have a coffee because that's the lure. Can you see it? I don't know. I can only see my net there on the camera. He'll be there anyway. Yeah, so I'm going to have a quick brew and I wander further down there and hopefully fingers crossed, pick something up. Funny thing is, I haven't done the intro yet, because I wasn't going to bother doing the intro until I caught something. Then I'll do an intro, then I might publish it. So we'll see. Anyway, I've had me brew. Let's have a wander up to these pegs up here around by the island. There was a couple of cars already parked up when I got here, but I know these are popular pegs. I think I've seen somebody further down, so I'll try and avoid him. That's where I've just been, along this bank down here. So this is Leeds water, and that other bank there is Bradford City's water, and that mound you can see there is an Iron Age fort apparently, and I think King Ethelbert, one of them anyway, he was crowned or something there. I might be making that up, but I know one of the kings had something done over there. Right, let's get down here somewhere further on. I've just been casting over to the far bank and letting it swing round and bringing it. Look, you would think nobody would be able to resist that. Right, back over into that slack there. There's a fair old push on the river. Well, this is where I've seen somebody, I'm sure I've seen somebody fishing along here. I think one of the cars is gone. These don't look too steep on the camera, but believe me, they are quite steep. Once you're down, you can walk along, but right. I'll get on that little bit of a point over there. Can you see where I'm going to head to? Probably not. I'm going to head down here. Have a few chucks, a few reeds and that there. I think it does shallow up here, like, but not to worry. Shy Bairn's getting out, as they say. Do you know that saying? If you're northern, you will. Shy Bairn's getting out. In the northeast anyway, bairns are kids, children, and shy bairns getting out, nothing. So it means if you don't ask or you don't try, you won't get anything. So it's always worth trying it. Right, I am here. Let's see how we do here. Maybe not. Oh well, first bird's nest. So if you get a bird's nest, don't panic. Just go gentle with it. Try and pick the wind knots out if you can. And then slowly keep coming through. You can normally see it's there. See where it's catching it all. I'll try and pull them out. and just go gentle. You get a little bit further each time. But don't pull it hard and hard like trying to pull a line out, because all you'll do is cause it to tangle again. So you just take it very slow. See it caught then. Take it slow, find that. If I was to pull this fast and hard now, that lot would just, see how it's looping, it would loop and knot on itself again. So just take it nice and steady, nice and slow. As you can see, this is now working itself out. So we'll get that down so all the slack line has disappeared off it. Can you see there where the line's going underneath and it's starting to sort of loop on itself? So what we'll do, we'll bring all that green off. Well, there we go, that'll do now. And then obviously when you bring it on, we've got a lot of slack out there now. So just a little bit of tension on that line till you pick up your lure again. And there we go. Just wind as normal now. So see, sometimes it's not that easy. Yeah, I think I'm just catching on. Catching on the bottom all along there. Right, get onto that corner, I think. You can see that, it's just you stand on that and you just sink up to your knees in it. Oh, whoop. The only thing is, if I do manage to get a fish, that's some miracle. Don't know how I'm going to get down to land it. Maybe cross that bridge when I come to it. So, for my last few chucks, I've changed over to this. There's a bit of a rattle. So, John, there you go. It moves lovely through the water. So let's see what, if anything, we can pick up on it. I don't want to take it too far down, because I know these pockets are probably, when I look at the footage, the pockets are probably going to be well in the way. You can feel that working, that rod tip as it swims in. Just trying to move it erratically as if it was an injured fish. I'm not sure what weight this lure is. I think it's about 15, maybe 10-15 gram. But this rod apparently is, I don't think this rod said, did it? So I'll blast down there. I don't want to go too far down there, because there's another lad fishing over there. So for the eagle-eyed of yous, or maybe not the eagle-eyed, you wouldn't know, would you? You're not from around here. I've changed venues. I'm on the same river, just a different part of it. Back where I was, I'm at Top Cliff. Let's try this. Bit of debris coming down like, but we can only try, can't we? Down to another peg. Talking to that lad there, he's fishing for pike dead baiting. I didn't realise the camera was still on, so I'll have to edit that. I've been stood talking to him with my fingers, look at him. That's where the cold at, I've gone stood holding that freezing cold net. Right, see if anything happens here. Just start off a bit short there. I'm trying to look through the back of the camera to see if I can see what you were seeing. I might get one of them ones for your head, you know, and then no matter where I'm facing, you're going to see it, aren't you? Oh, my fingers. My fingers is cold. Oh, I chickened out there, didn't I? I thought it was going a little bit too close to that lot over there, but where I want to be, really. See if I can get something off the far bank straight away. And let's not chicken out. Yeah, that'll be alright, that won't it? That was lucky, wasn't it? It's nearly in them bushes. That's one time I did want to pull it short. Right. Well, we're back at the we're back at the car at Top Cliff. Don't know what to say, guys. Another blank. It's absolutely Baltic. I don't even know where to put this up. I hope you're not getting bored of them. I'm only doing my best. At least with this one I can show how you get a bird's nest out. That's what I might entitle it, just to show people. I'll edit it down really short so it's only that bit in. Right, alright guys, if you enjoyed this in any way, shape or form, please give us a thumbs up. If you don't subscribe to the channel, please do so. It's free, charge doesn't cost you anything, so get that button clicked. Right, if you already subscribed, it means the world to me. Fantastic community we've got going. Until next time, wow, I'm losing the will to live, aren't I? Until next time, I love you all millions and loads. Bye. Mwah.